Good morning. Well, for me at least. This is William Williams, Philippines. It's about 9:15 p.m. Uh, my day off. So this is my Saturday morning now. Uh, yeah. Time, a group concept of which I was not a member of the group that conceived it, so why be bound by somebody else's ideas, thoughts, and perceptions? But yes, it's about 9:15 on Wednesday, February 19th, 2025. Hope everybody's doing good. My day got I had to go to the pharmacy and pick up some meds. They called in one and it got here. So, yay. Such fun stuff. Uh, got that took care of, picked up a couple of things. Uh, I'm going to make some chili and get that started. Problem is, it takes a little while to cook chili. So, hey, I get to eat something noon tomorrow. Yeah, it'll be good. But yeah, my intent is to cook some chili because I have a bit of Bambi, uh, ground Bambi, a couple packages of it, and some ground pork and some ground chuck. So, and yeah, big chunky stuff on that one. So I'm gonna have some chili because, well, I need to get it out of the freezer. And, well, that's one of the best ways to take and do it. Make chili with all that good stuff. Because, hey, chili's good, especially in cold weather. I don't know about you, but I like chili. Anyway, I'm going to try to get that going and have that. In the process, I'm going to try to get a little bit more into the boxes. I don't know. I put stuff in there and then I realize I don't want it. And then I realize I want it. I might be a bit scattered brain when it comes down to this. Just saying. Eh, I have a split personality when it comes to it because part of me says, "Oh, I want to take it." The other part says, "You want to travel, or do you want to have an anchor?" And I guess that's what the ballot buying boxes are about. I can travel for a little while and then have them sent over, which is a good thing. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Try to get them set up to, be shipped, and then I guess have them sit at my aunt's house until it's time, and then give it a go. Once I get an actual address for myself, and that would be a good thing. Yeah, there's a couple things I got to get figured out. If not, guess I can try to pay the guy to store them in his warehouse before he sends them. I don't know. Bunch of fun stuff trying to figure it out. We'll see. Sure don't want to have to pay to put them in a storage locker, though. Yeah. I've seen some of the prices on those things, and that ain't good. I don't want to spend too much. I barely want to spend enough to get them over there. So shipping those 4 boxes would give me stuff I need. Oh, excuse me. Once I get over there and get set up. But I don't really need it until I actually have a place to put it. So, yeah, fun stuff. Oh, coffee, civilization, 1 cup, second cup. Because what's the point of life if you can't have coffee? It's what keeps us civilized, right? Anyway, yeah, I got to get that stuff figured out. It got down to -2 uh, Wednesday morning, 18 hours ago, or whatever you want to call it, 12 hours ago, 13, something like that. Yeah, cold. Having to go out back out in it and face the world, not fun. But it is what it is. I'm glad it started warming up, but it only got, I think, to 16 degrees today. So, yeah, I don't know about you, but cold weather is not fun. And right now it's down to, well, this thing says it's at 12 degrees right now, and it made it to 16 for the high. So, woohoo! Lovely record. And I don't know about y'all, but -2, that's cold. Very cold. Um, that's not the wind chill, that was the actual digit. Yeah, I think the wind chill on that was bumping in the 20s, -20s. So, yeah, had a wee bit of wind, and it was not pleasant no matter what you say. I mean, it just ain't right when you get going like that. And right now it's 12 degrees out there. Feels like it's 2. So, yeah, all that fun stuff. Cold weather. And it's not supposed to come back up until Friday before above freezing. I'm getting tired of this stuff. I want to put my toes in something white, but white sand, not snow. This snow stuff's cold. It's miserable. Tired of it. I'm ready to get to the Philippines, y'all. But anyway, yeah. Looking at the uh, they just came out with the iPhone 16e, the new SE version, but now they're trying to brand it and such. I don't know. Part of me says, "Yeah, get that one. It's only, yeah." Part of me says, "No, just get the SE, the one they have there, and the other one, the old one." And part of me says, "Oh, forget it. Just get another Samsung." I don't know. Part of me says, just forget it all until I get over to the Philippines and figure it out over there. But I don't know. Got a bunch of thinking to do when it comes to all that. It's not like I don't have phones. My issue is, it's like I unplugged this little one and the battery went dead in 12 hours on, oh yeah, standby. It shouldn't go dead in 12 hours on standby, not being used. From unplugging it to dead, 12 hours. Definitely needs a new battery. But apparently it's not worth a new battery. Yeah, I don't know. But yes, that's one of the hazards now is, these things don't get real good battery life. It's that's the hazard, that's nothing, the batteries and things just don't last much. And that's usually the biggest problem is they want to do it as cheap as they can, so they barely put enough battery in there to make it worth having. And then it dies and, without being used. And it goes dead fast, quick. I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, my phones, I use them. It's kind of like with the iPad. I use it. I'm not bashful. I do pay attention, and I'll be walking around listening to a audio book. I almost always have something on in the background. About the only time I don't have something on in the background is when I got the camera going. So yeah, or I'm actually on the phone making a phone call. Yeah, it's my hearing isn't that good, so I don't want competition when I'm actually trying to listen to something. Yeah, and if you're recording, you don't need crap in the background. But yeah, my hearing, I'm still trying to decide about going and getting another pair of hearing aids. It would be good, uh, but at what cost? I'm thinking, uh, with the way they're talking about those iPods or iPod or the hearing yeah, the hearing ones, they have a hearing aid setting in them. At least the newer ones do, but they're freaking expensive. I don't know. The cost of them, and how well would they work? Can you actually, are they going to last 16, 18 hours straight? Sometimes 20? And how long before they would drop down? I don't know. Uh, Same issue with mine here. They die out pretty quick, and yeah, the fact that I wear them so long sometimes drains them all the way down to where they quit while I'm listening to stuff and doing stuff. So my hearing aids are, I need new hearing aids. Well, at least batteries in them. I don't know. I guess I need to go talk to the guy and see what they can do about the batteries in this one. Because apparently they're not lasting much. I think I still have a little bit of warranty left on them, which would be good. And since I need to adjust the settings on them. They adjusted them last time and they're not right. Uh, they were better than what they were settings wise, but now I'm noticing that they're off the other side. Yeah. Yes, let's hear something over here. Let's hear something over here instead of together, kind of in the middle. Yeah. Sometimes that's hard, finding the center. Might be that I'm out of balance and, anyway, I don't know. But yeah, hearing aids are fun. But hey, they talk about all these on flights, long haul flights, how you need noise canceling hearing or noise canceling headphones. And I'm like, what noise? I canceled it. Just pull my hearing aids out. Pretty much everything kind of goes, drops down and becomes less listenable, harder to hear. Yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, and that's something I need to take and get figured out here in the next few. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to get started on some chili. That's my project, that and try to throw some stuff at boxes. Williams, Philippines. Hope y'all have had a blessed day. I'm into my weekend, which is the middle of your. Oh, coffee's killing me. Uh, uh, my weekend is the middle of your week, and your weekend is the middle of my week. Yay, fun stuff. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day, a blessed week, and got to enjoy a bunch of good food. friends, family, and food. And again, more food. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.